Gimmick-Wayne-Day-na-na. Do you remember? Gimmick-Wayne-Day-na-na. Do you remember? In Ojibwe I say, for do you remember? Gimmick-Wayne-Day-na-na means do you remember? Do you remember? I remember one day, and you and me in the pouring rain, water ran down my chin. So you pulled me close and you drank it in, but I remember your ways, and you and me in a sad embrace, and I remember a place where you pulled me close and you kissed my face. Will I ever see you again? No, I don't think I'll ever see you again. I remember one night and the casual fight by candlelight as the room grew dim. You lied to me when you talked about him. I remember your ways, and you and me in a sad embrace, and I remember a place where you pulled me close and you kissed my face. Will I ever see you again? No, I don't think I'll ever see you again. Will I ever see you again? No, I don't think I'll ever see you again. Okay. Huh? How's that for an entrance? That's cool, man. BOOZHOO. And welcome back to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO. Over here, the lovely and the talented. Yeah, Natasha. Ikadon BOOZHOO, Winnie Mushane. Say hello, my sweetheart. BOOZHOO, everybody. How you doing? How are you doing, sweetie? Oh, I'm doing great. How are you? Well, you know, ready to rock and roll on this Thursday morning. I get up. You know what, sweetie? What's that? I get up and nothing gets me down. Is that right? Yeah. You got to roll with the punches. I get up and nothing gets me down. You got it tough, yeah. I seen the toughest around. And I know, baby, just how you feel. You got to roll with the punches to get to what's real. Oh, you and that voice again. It's like butter. I know, huh? So how you guys doing? Welcome to the BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO live stream. BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO. by Michael Lyons, the live stream podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I'm just going to re-announce the show over and over again until some people show up. This is what happens when we go on live early. What's that? Well, the BOOZHOO crew doesn't think we're going to be here for another 10 minutes. So, I don't know if anybody's here yet. I don't think there is. But if they're in the future, hey, you guys. Welcome to the show. This is a very serious educational program. No clowning around. This is no place for jokes, huh, sweetie? That's right. Come on, you rotten kids. Listen up. Yeah. All right, enough of that. I'm just kidding. Yeah, the show is by Michael Lyons. And Michael Lyons is a cartoonist. He did this cartoon of this memengwa. This is a memengwa. This is a butterfly. And he's become world famous for his Ojibwe language children's books. If you click the link below, you can see he's got a whole page on Amazon.com. Can you imagine? But anyway, Ojibberish is on sale. There's some Ojibwe language books like Dogin Mainga and BOOZHOO, Jidamo, what have you. Click the link. And, but yeah, so Memengwas are sacred to the Anishinaabe. Huh, sweetie? That's right. You tell him, sweetheart. I will. Don't even try to stop me because you can't. I wouldn't even try. So Memengwa is a very powerful, very spiritual creature. Memengwa represents transformation and awakening after a long period of cocooning, of introspection, of isolation. The Memengwa could be you. Maybe this last year, the COVID lockdown, putting a mask over your face. Don't even let anyone see your expression. It's like we've all been in cocoons. But now it's springtime. And it's time to wake up transformed. Memengwa, the butterfly. I don't know why I started talking about that. Oh, I like it. That's a beautiful cartoon, huh? Yeah, it's cool. Memengwa. But anyway, to get our show started today, I thought, why not? Let's just take a look at one of these Ojibberish cartoons I keep hearing about. That's kind of cool. Let me, Gimekwadazi. 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 You are beautiful. Hey, sweetie. What's that? Gimekwadazi. You are beautiful. Oh, I'm glad, sweetheart. Gimekwadazi. And this is one of Michael's cartoons. I mean, it's basically a painting, really, but wait, don't I have there, let's go. Gimekwadazi, you are beautiful. When the Memengwa transforms, Memengwa is suddenly way more beautiful. And she can fly. That's what it's like to transform. People sometimes, they don't want to change. They go, you know what? Yeah, I'm depressed. Yeah, sure, maybe I got a certain level of anxiety. You would too, if you had my schedule, whatever. And they just kind of accept, maybe my life is just sort of hard, and I'm just kind of an ugly, sad person. It's like, no. When you transform like the butterfly, you become mikwadazi. You become beautiful. So if you want to tell someone they're beautiful, you say, Gi mikwadazi. If you want to say, I am beautiful, you say, Ni mikwadazi. But Gi mikwadazi, you are beautiful. Because that is Niiyo-Giizhigad. On this fourth day, I think we should remember just how beautiful You are. You are so beautiful to me. Gimika, what is he to me? Can't you see? Ah, sweetie, you're everything I hope for. You're everything I need. Gimika, what is he to me? Thanks. I kind of like this mood lighting, just being in the black and purple. La da 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 da. Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again. Because Niiyo-Giizhigad is a fourth day or Thursday. Sweetie, Niiyo-Giizhigad is a fourth day. That's what they say in OJIBWE. I already know how to say Thursday in OJIBWE. Is Niiyo-Giizhigad okay? If you wanna say the fourth day, you would say Niiyo-Giizhigad, okay? Niiyo-Giizhigad, the fourth day is Thursday. All alone in the darkness. Or, jeez, in the brightness. Come to the dark side, Luke. Come to the dark side. Or, be like the butterfly. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Or, even better yet, let's get some mood. I've come to talk with you again because we're on the live stream podcast about Ojibwe language and culture, huh, sweetie? Yeah, we sure are. So anyway, what were we talking about? Something to do about Thursday. It's being beautiful. You were talking about how beautiful I am. Oh yeah. Yep. You're a hottie. You're easy on the eyes. What, are ugly people hard on the eyes? Yeah, it hurts your eyes to look at ugly people. That's why so many people have to wear glasses, you know. Because they've seen too much ugly people. Yep. It's bad for your eyes. So I only look at gorgeous people. Like Jessica Waboos. Hey, look who's here. Old Jessica's here, sweetie. BOOZHOO, Jessica. What's up? Because a vision softly la la. Every junior high kid discovers Simon and Garfunkel at some point. And he's all like, oh, those guys really get me. Hello, darkness, my old friend, indeed. How many times have we had to face the darkness alone? How many times have you looked down into the abyss only to see the abyss looking back? I'll bet you. That's what depression's like. This is depression. Hello, darkness, my old friend. And this... this is having your own podcast. Kicking back. Hey, where's my coffee cup? I don't have any coffee, sweetie. Well, you drank it all up. Oh, yeah. You want to go get me a cup of coffee? What do I work for you? No, I just don't have any. Yeah, sure. I'll be right back. Okay, thanks. So, hey, what's going on here? Jessica saying hello back. And, so it's Thursday. It's a gorgeous day. Yesterday was the first, 70-degree day in Bemidji. And we already had our first shooting. There was a news alert. Somebody shot up a telephone pole for some reason, broad daylight, middle of the day, and maybe ran into the pole. I was walking around, and I heard gunshots, and then a big crash. And you recognize gunshots, but then when there's a big crash afterwards, you go, was that? Nah, it couldn't have been. You know, what, did somebody shoot something and then something fell? I don't know. But sure enough, then they ditched the gun. You know, so here's some lowly criminals who've seen enough TV to know, hey, get rid of the evidence. If we get arrested with that gun, that's more time in the clink. It's more time in the joint. Jessica says, I'm walking around trying to find a turkey that was just in our front lawn. Jessica's on a turkey hunt. Those turkeys are weird. Certain time of year, we have lots of turkeys on this one part of the road between Cass Lake and Walker. Most years. And I'm like, where do these turkeys come from? Did they all just decide to get together in this part of this road? You gotta look out you're afraid you're gonna run into a turkey. But just certain years and certain parts of the year. Just this one stretch of road. As I walk along. Hey, sweetie. Yeah, I got your coffee. Oh, thanks. Ladies and gentlemen, my what are you? My girlfriend, my maid, my sidekick. Your better half. My better half. My partner in crime. Your weenie Mushane. Yeah, my sweetheart. Whatever. Natasha. So, what should we talk about today? You want to talk about the song? What was that song? We did Gimmick Wayne Day, Nana. Gimmick Wayne Day, Nana. Do you remember? In Ojibwe I say, for do you remember? Gimmick Wayne Day, Nana. Means do you remember? Do you remember? What do you remember? Why do you remember certain things? Sweetie, what do you remember from 1984? 1984, I remember high school dances. Yeah. And I remember going to school and playing sports and learning the guitar. Yeah. And going on dates and, I don't know, driving around my friends. Yeah. Why? What do you remember? Nothing. I got long-term memory loss. I got no rear view mirror in my car. I can't remember anything. I'm like that guy in Memento. I have no memories. Everything, it's present moment or future. I have no idea where I came from. I don't remember learning how to read or write or speak. I don't know who you are. Who set up this camera? What's this show now? Oh, come on, quit kidding around. Yeah, I have a lot of memories. I think it's a sign of having a good childhood if you remember a lot. I got a bad memory for names and even faces sometimes. Sometimes people come up to me all happy and it takes me a few minutes to go, is that a total stranger? And I realized, oh no, that was that person I worked with for 3 years. I just forgot who they were and their name and their face. But You want to talk about something that happened in the 8th grade? I'm right there with you. You know, I can name all my teachers. I can name the whole class. I could name everybody I went to school with and who was with me in the 8th grade in particular. As compared to the kindergarten class. You know, I remember. And, you know, I had yearbooks, so I could, you know. But, yeah, so I think it's a sign of a good childhood if you have lots of memories. But they say, I got a buddy who can't remember anything before the 6th grade. And he had like a really rugged childhood. He goes, yeah, I don't know. I mean, they tell me we lived in whatever. But, you know, his family had a lot of issues. My buddy had a lot of issues. Do you guys got issues? Let's see who else is here. Jessica says, we don't see them a lot. She's talking about the turkeys. Oh, hi, Jessica. I was trying to get a picture for the crew. That'd be cool. Weesonese here. Hey, BOOZHOO, Weesonese. Now we can start. Weesonese here. BOOZHOO, Weesonese. Welcome to the show. And Jim Dunn. Ah, crap. Jim's here. You gotta watch your language. Hello, Jim. No, we're not swearing. He's so quick. Jim has no tolerance for colorful language. He's like, hey, you kiss your mom with that mouth? You know. I'll try to keep it rated G. Okay, Jim? Otherwise, good morning. Hi, Jim. Lisa Nee says, turkey. Lisa Nee's like Homer Simpson. Donuts. Jessica says, I was trying not to spook the turkey, but he ran away. Yeah, those turkeys are smart. You know, they know to be scared of humans. They go, yeah, right. What, you think we don't know about Thanksgiving? You know. Sure, the old owl is wise, but the turkey, turkey's pretty smart too. Turkey. Once I was a turkey, dreaming my life away. Should we call anybody? Well, I was just going to say, if you wanted to call someone. Who we got here? We could call Michael Jackson. Okay. But I thought this was a call-in show. Yeah, I know. You never see like DJs just hassling people at home. It's like, hey, this is KKBJ. Rockin' Bemidji, Northland. You know. Who I got on the phone here? What? Who is this? It's KKBJ, your one-stop shop for all of today's hits. Huh? I don't even listen to this radio station. Anyway, we're going to call Michael Jackson. It's ringing. Hello, Michael Jackson. Hi, it's Natasha. Yeah, from the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. Do you want to be on the show this morning? Okay. Hang on. All right, it's on line 2. Thank you, sweetie. Line 2. Okay, hey, BOOZHOO, Michael Jackson. Welcome back to the show. Hey there, NANABOOZHOO. How you doing? Oh, I'm doing very well. How are you, my king of my liege? That's silly. You don't have to call me my liege. But aren't you the king of pop? Yeah, I am the king of pop. Well, I was the king of pop before, I died. Yeah, so just for the viewers, ladies and gentlemen, Michael Jackson. Michael, a lot of the people are going to be surprised to hear from you. Oh, they're ignorant. Well, didn't you die? No, that's just what they said on TV. I didn't really die. Come on, man. Oh, okay, cool. So nobody freak out. The king of pop, my liege, Michael Jackson is still alive. Yeah, it's all right. So, yeah, I just wanted to give you a call and I was wondering if you had been watching the show and keeping up with your Ojibwe language lessons.
Oh yeah, I watch every morning. I get up, I make a cup of coffee, and then I turn on YouTube and I watch your show.
Yeah. So you must know the Ojibwe word for the day.
Well, today is Thursday, right?
Yep.
And so we say the fourth day, and that would be Niiyo-Giizhigad.
That's right. Whoops. Doggone it. I was going to do this cool thing where I just popped up the word. Niiyo-Giizhigad.
Yay!
That's right. Michael, you did very well.
Well, I'm trying to learn the language.
That's true. You are trying to learn a language. How come you want to learn Ojibwe so bad?
Well, I think it's important to keep the language alive. So many of our elders, they're getting older and they're passing away.
That's true. That's just a sad fact of life.
And when these elders pass away, and with them the language dies, if we don't learn it, if we don't pass it on to our children, it's just going to die.
Yeah, it will. That's true. So you want to learn it, and so you can pass it on to your children? You think Blanket's going to learn Ojibwe?
Who knows, maybe. Hey, Blanket.
What you want, fool?
Are you going to learn Ojibwe with your old man?
I ain't going to learn that language. Come on, man.
No, he says he doesn't want to learn it.
Yeah. So how are the kids? They're cool with you being alive?
Yeah, sure. We're having fun, It's great. I'm learning Ojibwe. Blanket's learning, I don't know, how to live a life of luxury with a name like Blanket.
Why'd you name me Blanket? That's ridiculous.
Well, just 'cause Blanket, 'cause you're like a blanket. You keep me warm.
I can't believe it. I told you, quit calling me Blanket.
Well, what do you want me to call you, son?
From now on, you call me X-Ray Specs.
Why do you want me to call you X-Ray Specs? That's silly.
Call me X-Ray Specs, yo.
Okay, X-Ray Specs.
You having a kind of a conversation with your son?
Yeah, he wants me to call him X-Ray Specs for some reason.
X-rays? What? Because he can see through stuff? That's right. I can see through your lies, old man.
No, come on. I'm on live stream. Don't talk to your dad that way. It's not respectful.
Yeah, right. What? You're going to go on that show, make him think everything's normal? Make him think we have a happy family?
Come on, Blanket. I'm trying to learn Ojibwe. We can talk about this later.
Yeah, that's what you always say, but we never do. We never talk about anything, Dad.
Come on. I'm sorry, NANABOOZHOO. Blanket's here with me, and he's kind of mad at me.
Yeah, it sounds like it. How you doing, Blanket? How am I doing? How you think I'm doing? My name's Blanket. I'm a grown man. My name's Blanket. Are you all grown up already? How many years has it been? I don't know, man. I think I'm like 20 or something. Oh, geez. Yeah, I guess I didn't pay attention. It's been a few years. Yeah, you probably are maybe you're 16 or something. Hey, I was talking, fool. Oh, sorry. Anyway, you tell my old man that he best quit trying to learn the Ojibwe language. That's a dead language. Well, come on, man. It's fun. We're trying to learn the culture and the language together. Yeah, man. He best get back on and record another album. Why? Because I got bills. Okay. Hey, can I talk to Michael again? Yeah, fine. Here you go, man.
Okay, thanks, Blanket. I tell you, I don't know what to do. It's so hard to be a dad sometimes.
Yeah. Yeah, it can't be easy trying to raise that kid on your own.
Well, I try my best. I try and I try, but what can you do?
Yeah. All right. Well, I just wanted to check in, see how you were doing.
Oh, I'm doing great.
Yeah, you sound pretty happy. And I want to wish you the best with Blanket, or X-Ray Specs, or whatever he wants to be called now.
Yeah, it's ridiculous. I'm not going to call him X-Ray Specs.
What do you say?
Nothing. X-Ray Specs. All right. Well, hey, NANABOOZHOO, thanks for calling. And I'll talk. Hey, listen to this.
What's that?
I will see you again. Giga-wabba-min, minawa. Hee-hee.
Yeah, okay. Giga-wabba-min, minawa, Michael. Oof. Michael Jackson and Blanket, sweetie.
Wow, yeah, we haven't heard from Blanket in a while.
No, he's really grown up. He's I think his voice has changed.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see what the BOOZHOO crew is up to. Jessica says, what does this? I was trying not to spook them. Jim Dudd says, tread lightly. Yes, sir. Okay. So yeah, Michael Jackson. I'm so happy to hear that he didn't really die. You know. Because there's so much humor that still hasn't been tapped into. Like Michael Jackson jokes became old and stupid because they were like Catholic jokes. But then, he died and whatever. But now when you think about it, the fact that Michael Jackson's probably still alive and his kids are growing up, having to pretend their dad's dead, I don't know. That could be a great like reality show. Hiding Michael's true nature. I don't know, man. Were you sad when Michael Jackson died?
Yeah, but I'm embarrassed now.
I know. I'm such a sucker for celebrity deaths. Oh no. Life will never be the same again. This anorexic person who used to sing songs in the 80s died. But, I can make jokes now, but at the time I was like, oh, dude. Don't even get me started when David Bowie died, when Prince died. Oh, a nation in mourning. Oh, we lost a good one today. Meanwhile, somebody's grandmother dies every minute. Like, who cares? Oh, she lived a long life and, had 100 grandchildren and sacrificed her, for her family. Whatever. Prince died? Oh, no. That affects my life. It would be more tragic if every time one of these celebrities died, they suddenly made it like you couldn't hear their music ever again. The government would come to your house and be like, come on, turn over your Prince albums. That's it. We're going to scrub the internet. He's dead. You can't listen to music that a dead person. That goes double for Mozart. Then you'd be crying, no, I'm going to miss those songs. They had everything to do. But, how many Bowie albums do you need to have? You don't have enough David Bowie music to satisfy you for the rest of your life? Oh, no. I think you'll be fine. Play the Spiders from Mars again. You're so desperate for a 70s rock. Who am I talking to? I don't know. I guess myself. BOOZHOO. Honey, Niiyo-Giizhigad. Get you wanna do. What you want? No, I'm praying. Ladies and gentlemen, get you wanna do. Hello, everybody. I wanted to do the Lord's Prayer in Ojibwe. Well, who's stopping you? Well, kind of you, if you keep interrupting. I'm not interrupting. I thought you were talking to me. I'm here for you, my son. Okay. Can I pray now? Yeah, go ahead. Nusana wakwi ngebian. My Father who art in heaven. Hoppe gish. Get you to a wendemig. Get a news a win. May your name be hallowed. Hoppe gish. Be dagwish. How is that? Be dagwish anu magak. Gidagi maui win. And endamin. May your kingdom come. Apekish iji webak tibishku wakwing. May your will be done. Gaye a king on earth. Miku gaye ish paming. As it is in heaven. Mijishanang ngo Agijagak Nambakwajiganimana Minik Iyuyang. Give us today our daily bread. Bu nigade ta wishanang. Kaye. Kaiji nishkahing nangi. Forgive us for our offenses against you, just like we forgive others. Kiko kaye. Ij wishing kange. I wish ishi kange. Kagwe di benange winning. Do not lead us into temptation. Dash in a mawishanang. Mayana gak nadak. And keep us from what is evil. Be inge. Amen. What you do? Oh, it's not a problem, my son. I'm happy to listen to your prayers. Yeah. You know, I was praying this morning and I had to admit again, the more like I want to pray, and the more into it I am, the more, well-being I feel from connecting, the more creative I get, the less I understand what I'm doing. Oh, what you mean? Well, it just kind of seems like, okay, number one, do I have to pray out loud? I never heard one way or the other if you're supposed to pray out loud. Can you read my thoughts? Well, of course I know I can read your thoughts. It doesn't matter if you pray out loud or if you think it. You can just pray the words in your mind and I'll hear you. Oh, okay. At the same time, getting on your knees and praying out loud sometimes is you. It'll affect you. And so that's why sometimes it's good to pray out loud. Oh, okay. Yeah, I can understand English. I can understand OJIBWE, and I can hear you in the sweat lodge. I can hear you in your songs. I can hear you when you're on the drum. I can hear you right now when you're praying on your live stream. Oh, that's good. So, but yeah, those are the fundamentals. And then it's like, you pray for forgiveness over and over again. Yeah, that's fine. But I don't think that's what prayer is all about. Oh, no, that's a small part of it. And again, that just affects you, son. I don't need to hear your groveling. You don't want to hear my groveling? No, just, get on your knees, get humble. Oh, yeah. Maybe it has to do with that. But then it's like, what, do I ask for stuff? Like a genie? Am I rubbing a genie's? Oh, please give me money. Well, it's all right to ask for stuff. I know, but I feel stupid. All I can do is say no, yes, or I'll tell you later. Yeah, okay. But, and then like worship. What does that mean? Do I just say, oh, thank you, I love you so much, God? I'm kind of faking it because I'm afraid that you won't, you won't show me favor. Yeah, I kind of got you over to the barrel there, don't I? I mean, what, if you don't keep me happy, you know what happens. Yeah, it's not funny. Oh, sorry. Oh, well, I guess I could answer all your questions straight away. But I don't feel like it right now. Why don't you think on these questions? And maybe I'll reveal the answers to you in some other way. Oh, really? Like what? In a song. I might have a child talk to you. I might have an interaction with your little cat. What's his name again? Bagheera. I knew that. Yeah, I know. So what else? Nothing. I guess that's my prayer for this morning. Okay then. Amen. Miumanik. That's enough. Miumanik. That's also what the Ojibwe people say. Miumanik. Sometimes when Ojibwe singers, they get down with their song, they'll be like, Miumanik. That's enough. Or you'll hear like an Ojibwe prayer. A guy will be praying in the language, and he'll, instead of saying Appe Inge, he'll say Miumanik. Okay. Oh, are you guys talking about Elon Musk? How old is Blanket? Yeah, I know. Let's see. I think Michael Jackson died in 2009. So that's what? 11 years ago? 12 years ago? And Blanket was probably 6. So yeah, he was probably like 20 now. Wait, no, that's dumb math. That would make him 15. Yeah. So Blanket's only 15 years old. Wow, he's got a low voice for a 15-year-old. And hey, who's this? Brian. Bonjour, Brian. Welcome to the show. Brian Soles. Oh no, are you Soles? Brian Soles is here. Bonjour, Brian. Jessica says, it's not worse than what Elon Musk named his kid. What did Elon Musk name his kid? It's XAEA minus 12. What a... I can't you say the word. Did you hear that, sweetie? Yeah. Elon Musk named his child like a math equation. That's the most pretentious, jerky... What a... Number one, Elon Musk is a total fraud, liar, weirdo, fatty, who, dates married women. I hate Elon Musk. He never sent a car into space. There's nothing on Mars. So, just to begin with, I hate him. But if you name your kid X, some sort of weird AE symbol, don't even know what that's probably from the metric table. A minus 12. It's impossible to pronounce. You've just made your son a joke. Yeah, well done, genius. The first act as a father that you did to your son was to make a bad joke of his very identity. Nice. This is why we know you're not a genius. If you were really as smart as the media tells us you are, you would never do anything so stupid. That's an ignorant, dumb. It's so dumb, I can't even make a joke about it. And weirdly, I just did. Jessica says, I bet he can't wait to upload his kid's brain to the cloud. Psycho. Yeah. Elon Musk. I guess he was just on Saturday Night Live. Saturday night, what now? There's a show in the 1970s, so 50 years ago, used to have comedians on it. And they would do a little sketch comedy. And it was always on Saturday Night Live, and it was live TV. And it used to be funny. But in the last 40 years, it hasn't been funny at all. And it's been just a parade of bad comedians, bad actors, and guest host celebrities. And they call it Saturday Night Live. Oh, yeah, now I kind of remember. Yeah. So Saturday Night Live asks this weird spectrum guy. I just learned that. He's apparently got autism. To host it. And I saw like 30 seconds of one sketch and you go, oh, it's painfully unfunny. It's over Saturday Night Live. Close the curtain. Turn down the lights. Nobody's watching. Nobody cares. You haven't been funny, entertaining. Nope. Ugh. It I don't know. Like, I couldn't look away quick enough. It's like, ugh. I don't want to see this. It's like watching, not a car crash. Not even a birth, which is gross too. Just something like, ugh, I don't need to see that. Yuck. Missy says, Elon hosted SNL a couple weeks ago and announced he is autistic. Okay, yeah, he is autistic. This is your entertainment now. You get to tune into a live TV show where a man will say, I'm an autistic person. Oh, really? Then paint me a picture. No, not that kind of artist. I mean, they're really running low on celebrities. What happened to Steve Martin? Where did the interesting, funny people go? You gonna have Elon Musk on your show? That's why it's time to say goodnight. You know, they always have that ending, da 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 da, where the whole crew comes out and the one celebrity, hey, this has been great. Oh, what a wonderful week. I want to thank, Adam Sandler and Bill Murray and, blah, 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 and the Counting Crows. All right, everyone have a great week. Whatever. They need to do that one last time. And bow, go away. Overture, cut the lights. This is it. We'll hit the heights. No more rehearsing and nursing your parts. We know every part by heart. Overture, cut the lights. This is the Bugs Bunny song. And oh, what heights we'll hit. On with the show, this is it. Na 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 na. Would you like another song? We got a cool song. Okay, here's the deal. Back in the days. What? That's a terrible transition. Yeah, okay. Back in the days of the grandfathers, there was a lake, huh, sweetie? You gonna tell the story of Leech Lake? Yep. Gazagaskwa, Jamaica. The Leech Lake. The lake, it's actually not. That's Gazagaskwa, Jamaica. Yeah, it is. Zagaskwa Jamay means leech. So this is the story of how Leech became a lake. No. Zagaskwa Jamaica. This is Jamay. This is the story of how Zagaskwa Jamay became... You don't have a story, do you? No. Sometimes I start the story and hoping something will come to me. But if you're not from Minnesota, I'm filming from Bemidji, which is west of Leech Lake Reservation, about, I don't know, 10 miles? 10 or 15 miles? Yeah. And it's called the Leech Lake Reservation, after the lake, Leech Lake. And you might be asking yourself, why on earth would somebody name a reservation after such a lake? A lake that must only be filled with leeches. And it's true, this lake doesn't even have water. It's a lake of leeches. They call it Leech Lake. And if you try to swim in Leech Lake, and every year tourists come from around the area, and they rent campsites and cabins and whatever, pull up their campers. All right, we're going to vacation on Leech Lake. And they get in their swim trunks and they grab their stuff and they go run into the beach and they jump in, only to find oozing black yards, just miles of leech. To the horizon, there's nothing but squirming leeches. So this is a Leech Lake, right? And we decided to name our reservation after it. So this next song, that's your story? Yeah. There's not like a moral to the story or anything. Nope. That's the worst story you've ever told. I know. All right. I'm going to play a song and let Natasha... You want to come up here, sweetie? Sure. I'm going to play a song by Michael Lyons, Natasha, and myself. That's about Leech Lake. Not this song, though. And it's got that cool graphics. Do you think we need that anymore? Probably not. All right, let me get rid of this. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the podcast about Ojibwe language and setting up on the fly. All right. So this is GOFUNDME. So I wrote it too. So I wrote a song about Leech Lake, how to say it in a Ojibwe. GOFUNDME. GOFUNDME. It's fun when you sing it. Now Natasha's gonna bring it.
GOFUNDME. GOFUNDME. You think you got it? GOFUNDME. Leech Lake. La 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 la. Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons on the guitar. And you have been watching
BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, Neiman Wyndham, oh my new. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hi, everybody. Well, how you doing? It's me, Natasha. Ah, sweetie. Yep. Hey, what's going on here? Thank you. Just about ruined the show. So, yeah, how you guys doing? Hello, Missy. Hello, Jessica. Hello, Wisany. Today's Ojibwe word of the day. This is not this. Why do I keep hitting the wrong one? Or just like you did. Niiyo-Giizhigad, the fourth day. And McWadazi, you are so beautiful to me. McWadazi, can't you see? McWadazi, you are beautiful. And I think his gibberish cartoon is pretty beautiful too. Look at that. Her eyes are just a little way far apart. But she's still beautiful. Michael, that's a cool painting. Hey, thanks. It was really just a ballpoint pen doodle. And then I just colored purple all over it. You are so beautiful to me. Can't you see? Hey, sweetie? Yeah? I don't want to interrupt your song or anything, but you got a phone call. I do? Yeah. Oh, okay. Let me get rid of this text. On line 2? Yep, line 2. Hello, caller. You're on the air. Hello. Natasha. Well, hi. Sweetie, it's Crazy Horse. The monument in South Dakota? Yep. That's weird.
Yeah. How you doing, Crazy Horse Monument?
Me like show. Me learn Ojibwe.
Yeah, great. But I suppose you're a Dakota speaker, huh?
Sitting Bull speak Dakota and English.
Yeah. Wait, you're not Sitting Bull, you're Crazy Horse.
What me say?
I think you just called yourself Sitting Bull.
Me no notice.
Yeah. So, what can I do for you today, Sitting Bull?
Me want call in. Tell Natasha. Me think. Natasha. Gimmick. McWadazi.
Oh, you think I'm beautiful?
Gi McWadazi. You are beautiful.
Well, thank you. I think you're beautiful. You McWadazi.
No, you be nice to Crazy Horse.
No, you're beautiful. I mean, look at that. This amazing artistry.
Me just face.
Well, yeah, I know, but when you get done, it's going to be magnificent. You're going to be the most beautiful piece of art in the whole country.
Crazy Horse believe when Crazy Horse see.
You believe it when you see it?
Crazy Horse been waiting many moons.
Yeah. Huh? Well, someday.
Me think Natasha be dead long time before that.
You think I'll be dead a long time before you ever get completed?
Sad to say, yes.
Yeah, okay. So, what else? What you been doing lately?
Me, stare off into distance.
Yeah. Do you stare into the west?
Yes. Sitting Crazy Horse mean whoever I am. Crazy Horse get feeling when look to the west.
Is there a feeling you get when you look to the west?
Yes. Just like song say.
Yeah. So, speaking of autism, you seem to have kind of a speech thing going on there.
No, me just have to consider words. Me talk like stands with fist in movie called Dances with Wolves.
Oh, yeah. Stands with a fist. She's all like, stands, fist. I had a friend once, Paul Rocker. Hi, Paul. Greatest name for your drummer in your band. He was the drummer of our band, and he was like, I'm a rocker. Call me Paul Rocker. But Paul used to sneak up behind me. It was his stands with a fist. Stands with a fist, if you guys don't know, is the girl that dances with that John Dunbar in the movie Dances with Wolves. The guy falls in love with. And she can't remember English very well. So she's all like, why you want make war with Pawnee? They do nothing to you. Yeah, you do kind of remind me of her.
Yes. Better Dakota people carve statue of stands with a fist.
Yeah, we should. Enough of the carving your face. Maybe we should just carve a statue of stands with a fist.
Yes. Me have other idea too.
What's that?
Should carve mountain of
Excuse me.
Of two chicks driving backwards in car.
Oh, you mean from smoke signals?
That scene. Crack, crazy horse. Up.
Yeah, I sure did. You know who else you remind me of?
What? That?
A little bit of, poor old Kalijah.
Kalijah was wooden head.
Yeah.
Me, stone head.
Yeah, you're kind of a rockhead. You're sort of a rocker too, huh?
Me got rock on the brain.
Yeah, okay. Well, hey, I better get going.
Me want say, Gigawaba min, Minowa.
Yeah, Gigawawa man, Minawa. Crazy horse. He kept calling himself Sitting Bull.
Yeah, he gets those two confused.
I know, why would you get yourself confused, though?
I don't know.
Gimikawadazi, you are beautiful. Hey, Sitting Bull, Crazy Horse, whoever you are, Crazy Horse Monument. I, for one, I think you're beautiful. I don't care what we said yesterday. You are so beautiful to me. Gimikawadazi. So, Brian, happy Thirsty Thursday. That's right. Thirsty Thursday. I'm feeling thirsty. Oh, I got the thirst. Gonna have to go out and get a beer. Hey, do we still have our, prayer? We got the Serenity Prayer. If anybody's got the thirst, doggone it, we don't have it. What do you think, sweetie? Should I go get that?
Do we have time?
Yeah, go ahead. Okay. Hang on, you guys. This is a poem for Thirsty Thursday. Because Thirsty Thursday is a classic day to go out and get squaby. Oh, you know what else? Since we're at it. This is kind of like the Serenity Prayer in Ojibwe Moan. Huh? But before we get to that, since this is so seamless to do, I want to pull up a cartoon that Michael Lyons drew. If I can find it, if I can find the way, I'd give it all to you. Okay. Nigi Giwashquaby. Nigi Washquaby. I am drunk. So when you're, I always have a hard time saying this because I always just say squaby. Niki is like I am washquaby. Squaby, washquaby is when you're drunk. Here's a little guy who's drunk as a skunk. And this is another children's gibberish cartoon. Hello, children. Welcome to the Sesame Street, what do they call that? When it was like Frasier?
Oh yeah, when they have like they make a show out of another show. Whatever that is.
Yeah, well, whatever. This is the children's show, and today's children's show is about being drunk. What? Cause Giwashquaby, washquaby. I can't say it because I'm drunk. Anyway, when you get drunk, sometimes you become an alcoholic. And so sometimes when you're an alcoholic, you go to Alcoholics Anonymous. And sometimes when you're at Alcoholics Anonymous, you can say the Serenity Prayer. And sometimes when you're at Alcoholics Anonymous on a reservation in northern Minnesota or Canada, where else? Some parts of Montana, Michigan, Wisconsin. How far does Ojibwe country go? You might say it like this. So let me say this prayer. Is that okay, Kichimanadu? I know you had to listen to one already, but this is me now.
Oh, you go right ahead, my daughter. I love to hear your voice when you pray in the Ojibwe language.
Okay. So this is Serenity Prayer in Ojibwe. Got just a little bit of tobacco, a little pinch of tobacco. And I'm going to hold it here by my heart. Kichimanadu. Takawi dukawishin. Weweni. Jinana gudawandaman. Geodapanaman. Inu. Gikashki katosiwan. Ji anji saduyan. Jite. Apajite ayan. Ji anji saduyan. Gikashki katuyan. Jite. Apachi nabwakayan. Ji. Kendaman ono. Kichimanadu. Mikwech bizandawiyeg. Abenge. Sincerely, Natasha. And this is pretty much, grant me the serenity, the peace, mind to accept the things I cannot change, the courage to change the things I can, and the wisdom to know the difference. La la la. Okay. And you know what?
What's that?
I think on that note, it might be a good time to say good night, sleep tight, and may your dreams come true. With a wish, la da da, da da da, la la. And now when we meet again, adios, Gigawabamin, Minowa, Gigawabamin, Minowa. If this was the Lawrence Welk show, that's how we'd end.
That would be so awesome. I wish this was a Lawrence Welk show.
We get a bunch of elders out to dance in front of us. Someday, mark my words, we're going to find ourselves in a VFW with a big screen TV, live, and a bunch of elders are going to start dancing as soon as our show's done to this song. Once I was a fool. A spin-off. Thank you, Isani. When you have a show that's a spin-off. Well, this is the spin-off from Sesame Street. Today's Sesame Street spin-off is brought to you by the letter A for alcohol. On Thursday, who likes to take a taste of alcohol?
Are you becoming Paul Stanley again?
I can feel it welling up inside. I want to know. I got a question for you all. When you're down in the dumps and you need something to bring you up, there's only one drink that's going to do it the way you want it.
What's that?
Cold gin!
I can't hear you.
Cold gin!
Cold gin. Bam.
Da 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 da
Da na 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 na. My heater's broken. I'm so tired.
I need your fuel. Hey, so that was called gin, and by the letter, what's a letter that's associated with alcohol?
60 proof.
Is that a lot?
I have no idea.
And 30 proof and 80 proof. I don't know. Once I was a fool. Today's Sesame Street spinoff is brought to you by the letters D, W, and I. Driving while intoxicated. Or DUI, driving under the influence, depending on where you're from. And we don't drink anymore, though, do we, sweetie?
No.
Gave it up. And not a day goes by that my hands don't shake. Oh, if I could just get just a little taste, just a sweet taste of that sweet, sweet beer. Nah, just kidding. You stop caring after a while. So, on that note, I just want to say, just for the record, how much I appreciate you guys stopping by to spend your morning with us, to have a little bit of coffee, a little bit of tea, a couple of jokes, learn a word of a day, like Mikawadazi, you are beautiful. You are beautiful on this Niiyo-Giizhigad, on this 4th day. And you, see if I can do this, have been watching BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. This is NANABOOZHOO.
Bonjour.
This is Michael Lyons.
Hello.
And I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minawa. Hoka hey, la di da di da di day. Woo. So what do you think?
I don't know, that's a pretty good show.
Yeah, that's all right. Oh, did you want me to tell them to hit the like button, share, and subscribe?
Nah, you don't have to worry about that.
Okay. I mean, if they don't know how to use the internet by now, the YouTube by now, they're never gonna know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mum.